What's up everyone? So today's video is going to be a bit different. As you know, I usually try and also mention the bad things that happen while traveling, and yeah, yesterday definitely one of the worst things that's happened to us happened. You probably can see from the title that I got robbed yesterday. So right now we're in a place called Kandy in Sri Lanka, and yesterday we got on a bus, I think from a place called Dambulla, 2-hour bus journey here to Kandy. We were sat on a 3-seater part, so Carol was at the window, I was in the middle, and at first it was empty at the side of me. There was no one sat in the seat, but then during the trip different people would come and go sitting next to me, and what happened is when I got off the bus here in Kandy, I noticed that the zip pocket on my shorts was open and my wallet was gone. So someone had stolen my wallet. I think it was the last guy that was sat next to me, because during the trip I had noticed a few times that I still had the wallet. The problem was on this trip I did nap a few times. I fell asleep. I don't usually do that. So I think that's when the thief struck. I think that's when he stole my wallet, unfortunately. So yeah, I got off the bus, realized that I didn't have it, and then I run quickly back on the bus, but it was nowhere to be found. I told the driver and stuff. He tried to look with me but couldn't find it. So yeah, somebody stole my wallet. So that was about $150 I had, and the worst part is all my cards, so credit card, debit card, everything was gone. And yeah, it's just the first time this has ever happened to me traveling. Never been robbed before, and I even lived in Rio de Janeiro for 6 years and I never even got robbed once there. No one ever tried robbing me. So yeah, really sucks that this happened. I don't think it's anything that's specific to Sri Lanka or anything. This can just happen anywhere, right, if you're a tourist. It's always a fear of mine when you're traveling, because obviously you have your wallet, you have your big backpack, and you also have like a day pack that I have with laptop and electronics and stuff. So yeah, we're always kind of worried that someone might rob something. And I probably screwed up because I shouldn't have had the wallet in the pocket that was facing the stranger. I should have put it in my other pocket that was facing my wife, Carol, and then yeah, then no one would steal it, right? So I screwed up there. And also, since it's a zip pocket, I thought I would feel someone opening it, but I guess since I slept this time, yeah, that ain't happening. So yesterday I just blocked my cards and stuff, went to the police, filed a report. Now the main lucky thing is that I am with my wife, Carol, so she has her cards. So online I can just transfer money to her cards and stuff, and we can still get money. But if I was alone and this happened, it would be an absolute nightmare, because I would literally had no money, no way to take out money. I'm not even sure what I would do. So yeah, as a solo traveler, I guess that the idea of this happening would be way more terrifying. And yeah, the lesson learned is if you are traveling with someone, just make sure they have cards as well in separate places, so that you're not completely screwed. Yeah, I'm not even sure what other precautions I could have took, because if I put my wallet in my bag, then you also have the problem of if someone steals your bag, then I'd lose my wallet, my passport, and all my electronics, so it would be even worse. So I usually try separating things of different value in different bags, so that if one thing's stolen, I don't lose everything. I probably just screwed up by leaving the wallet, like I said, on the side of my pocket facing the stranger. So that's one thing I would change if I could go back in time. I do think it was the last guy next to me though, because when I went to get up out of my seat, first he just shifted to the side as if he was going to let me get past, and then for some reason when he saw me grab my bag, he just got up in a hurry and left the bus. So at first he didn't look like he was getting down at all. He was letting me pass to get down, and then all of a sudden he just went off in a hurry. So yeah, I'm pretty sure it was the last guy, but there's nothing I can do. I don't really have any hope of the police finding it, but I just filed a report anyway, because who knows, someone might take the money and throw the wallet, and then I can get my cards back, so it won't be such a big deal. Just reporting the bad things that can happen while traveling. It's not all good all the time, and this was one of my big fears. Luckily Carol has the backup cards. So yeah, let me know, you travelers, if you have any ways that you do things more secure that I can learn from, or if you've had any bad experiences like this, let us know in the comment section, because I'll be curious. hopefully everything goes smooth from now on. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.